I write a little love note in our small house where quiet dreams began, sending words to where your heart was wandering, wishing someday we could share one life again.
Rain falls, I see you through the distance, every memory shining in the storm.
I was near, yet somehow drifting farther, almost loving, never keeping warm.
And through the windows trembling light, we see the things we lost, the things we left behind. Whoa, still the rain calls out your name, through the silence, through the nights of waiting. Still the rain recalls our pain, every promise that we made then faded. If tomorrow turns away, let the memories stay, though hearts are changing. For the rain remembers all, even words we never dared to say. Rain falls, I hold our child beside me, watching raindrops gather on the glass. You came home late with quiet, tired footsteps, while gentle years kept rushing much too fast. Rain falls, my hair has turned to silver,
Yours reflects the passing of the days. Now we sit and watch the sky grow softer, writing songs where dreams still find their way. Through every whisper in the rain,
I hear the questions we left unnamed.
in the echoes we remain. Still the rain calls out your name, through the laughter and the quiet grieving. Still the rain holds every flame, every fragile hope.